Hey guys, it's Lena again. So you probably just watched the first blind makeover. Well, now all I can say is vengeance is mine. So welcome to Blindfold Makeover Part 2.
If her phone doesn't go off again.
1 second.
1 second, though.
Hey, I turn because my dad wants me home.
Right now.
Maybe last week, do me a favor.
Really? Right now?
Really. So I tell him to give me a few minutes.
I thought you were gonna go home at 1.
Well, he didn't tell me when to come home.
Oh, okay.
It feels like a lot.
It is.
Oh well. Vengeance is mine.
I'm really scared. That's my hair.
Hurry. Hurry. Oh, sorry.
This doesn't look half bad. Blush.
It kind of sucks for Jesse because I kind of know what stuff is what.
Oh, great. Wow, good mixing colors there. Good style.
Okay. Now for the eyes, because I'm hurrying. Okay. On my face.
Pretty double neutral color.
It's a neutral color?
Mm-hmm.
Dang it. Let me try. Okay.
You like the Hulk.
Then another color for here. Okay.
That's not my eye.
Okay, is that all? No, I'm missing lips.
I want you to grab the color I want. But you're probably not going to.
Nope.
Nope, you didn't. Oh, okay. That's a good color. Oh my freak, you like want it to fall apart? I'm sorry. You like touched it and then you just totally didn't even go where you touched it. Anyway, go.
You know what I mean. Where are your lips? I don't care. Well, I shouldn't do too bad of a job. I got most of your lips.
Yeah, you got under my eyes.
I gave Jesse a black eye.
Yep. I don't know. That's what I look like now. I'm gonna wear this every day.
Okay, it's beautiful.
I'm gonna cry.
Is it off?
No.